Moneahfloyd's channel. That's me, of course. And I'm coming down with a tutorial on how to get this sexy, like, got out the pool, looking on the nice beach bodysuit kind of hair. But it stays. It doesn't dry off frizzy and hot mess how you usually get at the pool and beach, okay? And all I used was two things. That is see it? The curl maker and some plain old water. 2 items to get this look. And it is totally bomb. It's now dried, and as you can see, the waves were there. It's like that nice get out the water waves, okay? Out the water waves. That's what we're gonna call it today. Or that Kim K look, okay? And it took me like 5 minutes to do. It's so much easier if you got a spray bottle, or if you're getting out of the shower and your hair is already wet, then it's so much cooler. But you just wet your hair, you put the little curl maker on, and you just scrunch your hair. And it holds, like for this hair, it's really flat. Like I think this was supposed to be body wave, and it wasn't. Like after I washed it, it dried, it looks flat, okay? And when you see the before picture, or when I'm first doing it, it looks like there's some wave, but literally it was not. I literally wand curled those little fake waves. It was flat as ever. But this is how it looks. And I'm really happy how it looks. Like I could do like, oh by the way, this is a 360 wig. I guess I could do a review on it if you guys like. It's not my real favorite. It tangles a lot. Not even tangle, it sheds. And I'm not a big fan of shedding. So, but overall, with this look, I can put the curl maker and it has a wave and it just stays like that. I don't touch it, I don't comb it, I don't brush it. It just stays. So this works for the hair that you don't want to like worry about if it frizzes or something like that. This doesn't do that. Or at least when you do this method. So stay tuned and you're gonna see how I did it. So now let's just see how I got this look. If you want more tutorials on how I do my hair or my makeup or anything, I am a new YouTuber and I'm down to make anything I'm obsessed with, because I'm obsessed with a lot of things. I'm obsessed with hair, makeup, nails. Like, I'm a server for one of my jobs and I can't get my manis. I get my toes done, but I can't miss. So I wear clip-on nails sometimes. So that's something I love to do, and I love to travel. So you're definitely going to see some videos, some vlogs on me traveling, and also I've been to a couple of countries on what not to do. So if you want videos like that, please comment below, DM me, follow me on social media, and just hit me up. I'm very friendly, okay? But please subscribe, leave me some comments, and thanks again.